Alright, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to Calabrese Auto Detail, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a stain extraction from the seat on a Chevy Silverado, and this is going to be a video on my better extractor kit, and this is one of the first times I'm using it actually in my detailing business, and I'm pretty impressed with the results. It probably got 90 to 95% of the stain out, and it's never going to be 100% perfect stain extraction depending on the stain, but I think it did a really good job, and I show you the process that I do here. So first I'm starting out by spraying my all-purpose cleaner on the seat, then I'm going to use my drill brush, and then I'm going to extract it with the better extractor kit. Let me know if you guys have this kit in your arsenal or if you use a dedicated extractor, but I think it works pretty well and I'm excited to use it in the future. If you guys did like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I've been cranking out some content lately, and I hope you guys have been enjoying it all. I'm going to let you watch the rest of this video on its own, and I'll see you guys in the next one.